Have you been diagnosed with macular degeneration or diabetic retinopathy and have trouble doing your daily activities like reading and driving? Are your eye drops for your dry eyes offering only a temporary relief? Are your prescription glasses getting stronger and your eyes getting weaker year by year? Netra Eye Institute offers holistic eye treatments using traditional Eastern medicine, acupuncture, and Ayurveda. Has a lot to offer for degenerative eye diseases and to help improve your vision. Holistic treatments such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, Ayurvedic therapies like massages, Shirodara, yoga, nutrition, and supplements are offered which help balance your body, strengthen your eye, restore your vision, and helps to see clearly. Visit us online at netraeyeinstitute.com to learn more about our treatments. Give us a call to speak with one of our coordinators to see how Netra Eye Institute can help restore your vision and improve your quality of life.